Hi guys, I got myself new Toffeln work shoes and I've got the Smart Sole slip-on. I'm actually currently using Toffeln as well. This is that one. But as you can see, it's all worn out. Pero sobrang sulit nito. Never akong nadulas sa work and it's really waterproof. So now help me unbox my new pair. Now let's open. First, we'll see the return slip, guide to insoles, and the insoles included. And look at that, may surprise pang Haribo. Thank you. So here we go. Toffeln shoes were actually designed for healthcare workers. That's why it's waterproof. And look at those soles. Makapit talaga siya because it's anti-slip. Hindi lang siya for nurses but for those who work long hours and for those na kailangan waterproof shoes. So these are the insoles included. We've got the firm one, the soft one, and by default, we've got the medium one, which I've used before and I plan to use still. These shoes are highly recommended. Second pair ko na nga siya. Especially para dun sa mga nagtatrabaho ng long hours.